Data link layer. The data link layer is responsible for multiplexing data streams, data frame detection, medium access, and error control. It ensures reliable point-to-point and point-to-multipoint connections in a communication network. The data link layer takes the packet from the network layer and breaks it into frames. The header in this layer provides the source and destination MAC addresses. It is the data link layer that will convert the data into binary digits such as 1 and 0, and then prepare them for the physical layer. Media access control regulates how a network is accessed by computer terminals and transmits from one terminal to the other without collision. This is achieved through CSMA or CD. CSMA or CA demand priority or token passing. Identifies several common logical network topologies to describe how the logical topology determines the media access control method for that network. So, in computer networking, encapsulation is a method and designing modular communication protocols in which logically separate functions in a network are extracted from their underlying structures by inclusion or information hiding within higher level objects. Data at layer 2 is called a frame. This layer, or called data link layer, ensures the stability of data transmission between bordering devices. This process builds upon raw binary bits that the physical layer uses. The frame check sequence, or FCS, is a part of the frame but in place to verify that the information each frame contains is not damaged during transmission. It is a frame if a frame is corrupted during transmission. The FCS on the frame will not match with the recipient's calculated FCS.
So, good day everyone. Today, I will tackle about my reflection activity in Chapter 7 in Network Visit. So, in my reflection is in data link layer is the second layer from the bottom in the OIS. Network architecture model is responsible for the node-to-node delivery of data. Its major role is to ensure error-free transmission of information. So, DLA is also responsible to encode, decode, and organize the outgoing and incoming data. This is considered most complex layer of the OIS model, at the hides or underlying complexity of the hardware from the other above layer. So the protocols of in data layer is the synchronous data link protocol or SDLC. So what is this SDLC? It's a protocol that is used for transferring synchronous, good transparent, serial by bit information over a communication lines. The second is High-Level Data Link Protocol or HDLC. So in this protocol or rules for transmitting data between network points in more technical terms. So HDLC is a bit-oriented synchronous data link layer protocol created by the International Organization for Standardization or ISO. So number 3 is the serial line interference protocol. So it is an encapsulation of Internet protocol designed to work over serial and router connections. Number 4 is point-to-point protocol. Protocol that is used to connect one computer system to another. So the other one is link access protocol or LEP. It's basically considered as a data link layer or DDL. Protocols that are subsets of high-level data link control LAMP is particularly derived from System Development Life Cycle. And the other one is the link control protocol. It's used to control the PP link by sending special SB message across physical link between sending and receiving devices. So the last one is the network control protocol or NCP. Provide the middle layer of the protocol start running on host computer of the ARPANET. The predecessor to modern internet, NCP preceded the transmission control protocol as a transport used during the early ARPANET.
Data layer is the second layer of open system interconnection or OSI model that makes sure the open packets or information packets that contains error. Data link also is responsible for multiplexing data stream, data frame detection, medium access, and error control. It ensures reliable to point and point to multi-point in a connection of communication network. The data link layer is also made up of two sub-layers. The first one is media access control or MAC. Sub-layer, the identifier of device, and the second one is a logical link control or LLC. Sub-layer, the interface between the device and the network layer, which comes next in the OSI models. So that is the data layer link.